Salesforce Marketing Cloud training by PeopleWoo Skills covers the essential aspects of utilizing Salesforce's powerful marketing automation platform. Here's a brief overview. Introduction to Salesforce Marketing Cloud, understanding its features and capabilities. Email marketing, creating, managing, and optimizing email campaigns for maximum impact. Mobile marketing, leveraging SMS and push notifications to engage with mobile audiences effectively. Social media marketing, integrating social channels and crafting engaging content for social campaigns. Data management, learning how to collect, analyze, and utilize customer data for targeted marketing efforts. Automation, implementing automation processes to streamline marketing workflows and enhance efficiency. Personalization, utilizing customer data to personalize marketing messages and improve engagement. Analytics and reporting, using Marketing Cloud's analytics tools to measure campaign performance and optimize strategies. Journey Builder, creating customer journeys to map out interactions and deliver personalized experiences. Integration, integrating Marketing Cloud with other Salesforce products and third-party tools for seamless operation. Overall, the training provides a comprehensive understanding of Salesforce Marketing Cloud, empowering participants to design and execute successful marketing campaigns.